What's up everybody, welcome back to Valvetronic, and today we have somebody that just arrived and they're getting a very special product. As you guys know, in the past you guys have seen Abos come to us for his F80, his friend's F90, F10 M5. He's been a part of a lot of different projects, but this one is definitely going to be the most special project. We have the lovely G82 M4, not a CS though. Oh, you got them paint matched.
Yeah.
It looks nice. This car looks good. But Abos here already has the full equal length valve sport exhaust system from obviously Valvetronic. But today is something special. We have the HFD midpipe. Now this guy's been waiting for what? You've known about this for what, 4 or 5 months now?
Probably.
Yeah.
You guys told me April, and then, you know, I've been waiting.
As you guys know, it's been a long wait, but it'll be worth it. And yeah, so today Abos is going to be the first creator to have the HFD midpipe. It's actually going to be the first person except for Brandon, the marketing director at Valvetronic, to have the HFD midpipe. So we're going to do some before and after clips. We're going to bring it into the shop and we'll do the installation. You guys are really going to hear what is the best sound configuration for the G8X platform. I'm really excited. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so right now we're inside the G82 M4, but we do not have the HFD on yet. We kind of wanted to give you a before and after sound comparison of what to expect when swapping in the HFD midpipe. Like I said, this is our normal valve sport equal length exhaust system, and as you guys can hear, you don't really get that roar or rasp that you get out of the S58 until you're right around that 5,000 mark, which you guys will hear the change when we swap to the HFD, that you get it a little bit earlier and it's a lot more pronounced. But whipping some downshifts here. Still a really good sound. It's nice, crisp, and raw, but it's not anything close to what is the HFD experience. So we're going to showcase some revs now. We're going to bring it back to the shop, rev it how it is now, and then we're going to bring it into the shop, and with one little modification of that midpipe, you guys are going to hear the sound difference of what is truly the best sound experience for the G8X platform. So yeah, let's get right to it. Alrighty, now the moment that you guys have all been waiting for. We're going to run you through the HFD configuration and what makes it so special. So it comes off the Downpipes, which are from a different company, but they are a free flow configuration. And it's dual 3-inch that runs around. We have a little extended length here. So the dual section then splits into the single 4-inch flat section, which really draws out that R35 GT-R type sound. And you guys will also notice that in the midsection, the cross brace does look a little bit different than our normal equal length valve sport exhaust system. On our regular valve sport exhaust system, you'll see that the cross brace kind of dips down a little bit. That's because we had a circular tubing 3.5-inch exhaust pipe, but since this is the flat 4-inch, we actually wanted to make this as flat as possible, just giving more clearance to the bottom of the car. And it looks pretty good with the HFD logo laser engraved into the metal. And then it Ys back off into our normal catback configuration. Now, this being in titanium as well, you have the valve flexibility. This has the valve controller, so you guys are gonna be able to get the full sound experience with the valves open and closed. And we have some nice single wall 4-inch tips to complement the rear of this beautiful Riviera blue G82 M4. So throughout this video, we're gonna take the M4 to the airstrip, your guys' favorite place. We're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, and you're gonna get the good fortune of sitting with Nate, Abos, the owner, and I on the interior to really show what is the HFD experience for the S58. Enjoy. we are inside the G82 again, now with the HFD. The cool part about the Valvetronic HFD experience, so if we're in M2 mode right here, right now, you'll hear the burbles. Not everyone loves the burbles, so when you have our valve controller installed, you can actually turn them off with that exhaust button. So now when I let off, valves are open, but you don't get burbles. So you get the best of both worlds. Got a little bit right there. As we climb through the RPM.
Oh, I hear it. Oh, yeah.
But yeah, you guys can hear just the 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 RPM. You really get that just scream as we showcased this before, but you guys finally are able to see the design. It's available to purchase. This is what we were waiting for, and I know it's been a long wait, but hopefully you guys do understand why it's definitely worth it. No Z pipe, none of that. Just the true Valvetronic HFD experience. You get the little rat on the shift still.
It's like so similar but so different. You can't really go wrong with either, alignment or not.
Yeah, both are good. It's just this, I mean, this mid-pipe changes the game now. And you get some nice gunshots too.
It is pretty fun though.
They sound a little different too.
They are louder.
Yeah. Bro, it's weird. You get like a, you know how like the N55 M2s when you let off it would go after you let off, and the F10? Yeah, you get that in this car, which is strange. You know what I mean? So, in Valvetronic fashion now, the valves are closed. We utilized the garage door buttons here to open and close the valves. And I can whisper to you. It is that quiet inside this car. You guys heard it just sound like a GT-R, and now it's nice and quiet. We cruise around town. Not bothering anyone.
But I'm falling asleep.
But that's boring, yeah. Well, he's falling asleep in the back, so we'll throw ourselves back. Just listen to how like smooth this is.
That's the shit that I was talking about.
Yeah, yeah. Where it grabs
I
it.
like the ignition cup, but like I want to hear it.
Yeah. Sounds good. And that, everybody, is the ultimate S58 experience with the HFD midpipe. We had an absolute blast making this video with our good friend Abos. And if you guys like the style of video where we show the before and after and we show the install, please let us know in the comments down below. We'll do a ton more just like that. If you're interested in getting this HFD midpipe for your G8X, whether that be the M3, M4, and soon to be the M2, so stay tuned, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com. When you go to the website to purchase, if they're not in stock, you can sign up for the waitlist program where you'll be notified when there's more in inventory. As you guys know, with Valvetronic, shipping only takes 2 to 4 business days in the US. That being said, stay tuned for more BMW improvement projects and let us know down in the comments below what you thought of the HFD experience. Take care.